Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this is the unboxing of my brand new Google Pixel Buds, and I could not be more pumped. I've had it on my to-do list for a super long time to snag these bad boys as soon as I could once they got to Best Buy, and the day that Best Buy got them in stock, dropped all of my gift cards to get these, so we're gonna be unboxing them right now because I cannot wait any longer. Before I do that, few quick details. I do have a Google Pixel 2, and actually I thought it was fitting. I'm actually recording this video with my Pixel. So I'm expecting an amazing, flawless experience because I'm going to be using my Google Pixel 2 phone with my Google Pixel Buds. This combination sounds even better than peanut butter and jelly, and I love peanut butter and jelly. Let's unbox them right now. I used to be an Apple guy, I'm not gonna lie, and this packaging feels eerily similar to that of Apple branded gear. Let's do it. Nice fit, looks pretty good. You see the Google. Wow, this is actually soft too. It's like a pillow. Well, I think everything is already in the case. We got the instructions in the bottom. Yeah, we don't really need those though. This is the Google Pixel Bud case. It's about the size of 4 quarters put together. Fits in the palm of your hand pretty easily. Like, I could walk somewhere and no one would really know I'm even carrying them, which I don't know why I would do that. Nice feeling case. It's pretty soft, feels good in the hand. And you can see on the bottom of this case is actually a charging case. So you charge the case, and then when you have your Pixel Buds inside, they're actually charging while they're chilling in your case. Oh yeah, and don't forget, this actually comes with a charger too. And the charging cable plugs in to the bottom of your charging case so that you can charge the case and then keep going on your adventures, and then while your case is a little extra battery pack for your actual buds. So if you're doing some crazy adventure in some sub-Saharan Africa desert safari thing, you got your buds and you got your case. The buds run out of juice, pop them in the case for 10 minutes, and then they're charged, you're good to go, and keep rocking out. I don't know why I picked some sub-Saharan African desert safari adventure. If you're on any adventure, whether you're going to Africa or to the park with your girlfriend,
out here at the park,
and you need a little extra juice, your case is able to do that for you. As soon as you open it up, it shows the charge on the inside. That's pretty cool. So it shows that it's fully charged right now with those 3 little LED lights ballin'. Plus, if you need a little extra help getting your Pixel Buds in here, there's a handy little diagram. So they're magnetically clipped inside, and here they are. This is beautiful. Let's see how they feel. I'm not 100% sure how to put these in. I think you twist them in, I think you put them in and you spin them to get them stuck in there. So I struggled a bit to get these in because I feel like they're not in all the way, but I guess they are. They're pretty snug. It just doesn't really feel like I'm wearing actual earbuds right now. It's a very weird sensation. I would say the fit is not as ideal as the Apple AirPods. The Apple AirPods definitely mold into your ear more than these bad boys, but once you get them in, they do feel pretty secure. And I'm a runner, so we're gonna absolutely be testing these in another video to see how they handle my long distance runs, because I need to have some sweet jams while I'm jogging it out. Cord in the back, it's super thin. You don't even really notice it, to be honest. And in my opinion, I'm not a huge fan of earbuds that are just the actual buds and they're not connected. I like having them connected in the back, so when I'm running, I know if one happens to fall out or something like that, it'll just snag along with the other one. And they're a lot more difficult to lose with this cord on the back. I can just do this. So, now I need to have a conversation. One thing to notice, there are no buttons whatsoever on these buds. So I'm going to guess that you set up everything on your Google Pixel or your phone to get these ready to rock and roll. They look pretty slick. Plus, I have the all black Google Pixel, So these pair very nicely. Love the matte black finish. Well, this was the unboxing of my brand new Google Pixel Buds. Super excited about them. I'm absolutely going to be making a couple more videos about these, especially when I'm going out on a run and I'm exercising with these in my ears, because I want to know how they feel, how they play music, how they stay in my ear, all that kind of stuff. And I'll be making a video so I can tell you all about the experience too, to know if these are the earbuds for you. I'm out of here.